Alright, today my friends we're gonna be building this. The LADA logo, or as I like to call it right now, the shield against the capitalist decadence. 2050, I mean if the world is still around by then, it's gonna be still making the same cars from 1974. That being said, I wouldn't mind having a LADA Niva at all, but anyways, let's get to it. It's not too hard to do, just requires some steady hand, maybe a little help of a projector, but let's get to it. Da, товарищ. So this is pretty easy part. I'm gonna screw in the backs on both of them, then take it back apart, sand it, paint it, and put some hangers on it, and it's pretty much done. Next is, probably should throw the trash out, but mock this up wherever this goes, so something like that. And then what we do is we drill it from the back, and this way we know where this is positioned on the piece. Then we can screw in more screws later on, but for now these are just the guides. To make it better, and sorry for the noise, we're gonna spray everything black around the edges first, and then we'll spray the faces blue so it'll have more depth to it. Painted this silver one tone just really quickly. Just brushed it on, you know. But then here we're gonna go ahead and spray this blue. Out of all colors, I got plenty of OSHA blue, which is ironic considering. And we want to spray this like really lightly too, so that we don't want anything to run. So it's all finished. I did repaint the back gray, from gray to white, just because it wasn't looking quite right. And we got ourselves some potato water for scale. So we're gonna hang it in its right place next to McLaren more than likely. So this way the ultimate luxury ride will represent. And let's see, if we ever get famous, we'll import some LADAs here in America and have a fleet of LADAs. And then I'll have a logo for each LADA, because there's a few different shapes. But thanks for watching, great success.